uMadlomo refuses indaba esithembu athi over my dead body yenzeka ngifile leyo. Wena manje you have to choose, it's either me or uDinhle. UNhloso feels ukuthi yena nje uyaqhubeka where uMadlomo uyavuma noma akavumi. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on scandal. uMadlomo uyayincaba nje indaba kesithembu uthi yena nje ayidingi nje usister wife. uNhloso uthi awuzosiza nje, esiza bani? Athi uNhloso gave uNhloso an ultimatum, it's either her or uDinhle. And then uNhloso ukhuluma nobaba omncane. Ubaba omncane uzama ukumbonisa ukuthi hey phela uyayidinga i-permission kaMadlomo, she has to agree. Angavumanga nje we can't go forward. Athi uNhloso akusana kubuyela emuva manje, I'm going ahead ngemshado uDinhle. Into kumele ngiyenze manje is just to talk to uDinhle, otherwise uMadlomo uzosala elandela ngemuva. Wow, uthi uMadlomo akasambeki indawo uNhloso, hey. And then uThedi gets a bank notification, 850k into a bank account. Khombisa umngane wakhe uKidiboni. Girl doesn't take time to remind her, hey, I've been covering for you, good vet. It's time for you to pay up the Katiam. They gave her some peanuts. She's probably going to complain still. And then Udiro, or should I say Udino, back in full force. Umawak is even shocked, saying, good, when I just snapped out of this dinner thing, that's why you're forgetting this was your idea. And you think I was not going to handle prison. I'll live fine in prison. Rather than being dragged here, I lost like an entire year of my life. Ngihleli la, Marcus, no snap out of it. We need you. Kumo needs you as a donor. Is this Dino guy going to help Kumo? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.